Greetings and salutations, you the lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore wherever we got drinks and their late nighties. I'm your host, Corey, and this is my co-host, Raz. Or Rascal, as his government name is. You gonna stab here or you gonna get down? Let's let you get down. Oh! Alright. So today's cocktail, we're got back. God, cat hair everywhere now. I guess that wouldn't be very sanitary for a bar, would it? I don't know. Maybe I need to make a cat hair cocktail at some point. The fuzzy cat flower. Yeah. You heard it here first. So I'm going to jump back into the Cocktail Guide and Ladies Companion. It's been a great book for finding these obscure drinks. The Ladies Companion part, it's not really helping me out. Maybe if I was trying to date back in the 40s. I don't think it works for modern women too much. But today's cocktail is called a Bijou cocktail. Not a Bayou, but like Bayou, you know, New Orleans, jambalaya, and all that good stuff. And with that being said, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right, this is another one of those you can't really mess it up. It's all equal parts. We're gonna start out with 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth, 1 ounce of Green Chartreuse. This is the only bottle I have left, and if you can't find it, because right now it's scarce and expensive, this Fascia Bruto makes a good substitute. I still have a little bit of chartreuse, so why not see how it originally tastes. So, 1 ounce of chartreuse. And then a dash of orange bitters, or 2, or 3, depending on how saucy you get. Hey, it's shaking time, kitty. Woo! Now, amongst all this cat hair, let's see what we got here. Now it says to add a cherry and a lemon twist, so I got a little fancy with it off camera, of course, because I'm still learning this stuff. So let's just see if it'll... Not quite balanced, but I guess it works. So let's see what it tastes like. I mean, that chartreuse really comes through. Surprisingly, you know, it cuts through over that gin. And I can kind of tell the sweetness from the Sweet Vermouth. It's got a little sweetness. It's not like modern sugary drinks, but that's all good. I mean, especially if you like those kind of dry, you know, martini-esque kind of drinks. It's like, it reminds me of that sort of thing. Or Negroni or whatnot. Yeah, Negroni's probably the closest you get to this. Anyway, my little thing. Anyway, y'all know what to do. Until next time, cheers.